Division 2 50cc class. Final for 2009. Oh, what? Come on down, straight down. They come into the first corner. Mason Rowe on the 27 comes around the outside. Rowe, the whole shot getter. This weekend for the third and final round of the Yamaha 2009 Queensland Motocross Championships. Have a look at Mason Rowe. He's already checked out with a bit of a lead now. The Motor World rider. Dylan Cook, the Spin City Motorcycle Divi 2 rider. Also sponsored by Blue Healer Graphics. He sits in second place.